Yo, team Run It Up, what's poppin'? Easy order to start the day off. You know what I'm saying? Even though I'm starting the day late, this is what, $16 for 5 items? Let's get it. What's up, Lori?
Good. That's gotta be the smallest order I've seen you come in there.
That's what I just said.
Yeah, that is so true.
Yeah. Yeah. Look, tell a man no trouble. I don't want beef, man. I just want vibes. Big man like me, no need for the telephone hype. I got too much getting online. One rule, then dead I'm on site. Wrong move, I bet they gon' ride. No need for the telephone hype, nah. No need for the snoozing. Big whip outside, I'm cruising. Big stick inside, no losing. Better watch out for the snake and Judas is. Don't ask them who this is. I bet they know what I'm moving in. I bet I show it into a dim. How you hate and then lose again?
Easy, relaxing way to start your day right here. Even though it's late, it's like 9 o'clock. Starting pretty late. I don't got no room in my trunk. Jeez. 5 items, 16 bucks, 2 miles. And honestly, I would do these orders all day long. It's not about the big, huge orders. I'm telling you, these little orders that are low miles, low items, all day, Run It Up. Let's get it. Hey, what's good, man?
What's up, man?
That's my boy.
Good.
What's going on? You got an order?
No, man.
You got an order? It's dry. It's dry out here. Yeah, it's a little one, $16. Five items, 2 miles. Easy. I'll see you guys, brother. I got lucky. I got the easy 2 miles away order, 16 bucks, 5 items. Super easy. I would do that all day long. But yeah, yo, team Run It Up, check this out. Instacart's always gonna be a Run It Up platform for us, right? But like I told y'all, if y'all remember, I am not an Instacart shopper, right? I'm an entrepreneur. Right? And so, that being said, we're gonna have some fun. I signed up for like 3 other apps. DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Shipt, right? So we're gonna have fun. I'm gonna see, you know, I'm gonna compare them. So yeah, we're gonna compare the incomes. We're gonna have some fun and see how much we can make on all those apps on any given day. All right, fam, so I don't know what's up with the orders today, but I just got another little baby order, $15, 12 items, but it's only a mile away, so we'll do that. That's easy, Run It Up all day. I would prefer them to be like 25, 30 bucks, like, you know, Costco type little orders. But it is what it is. We still can run it up with this. So yeah, I'm gonna go in here and do this little quick 12 items. Let's get it, you know what I'm saying? Money's money, and this is free money. 12 items, this is easy. 1 mile. All right, let's do it. And just like that, we finish. Easy order. All right. Like I said, I wish the pay was a little bit more, but for what it is, it's all right. I'm not tripping. I think any of us would like these. You know, it's still money. It's quick. The delivery is about 7 minutes away. That's gonna be another cha-ching real fast. Let's get it. All right, fam. So I'm on my way back to the store, yo. I missed an 80 Costco. 80. Yeah. So that one stung a little bit. It was honestly sitting there, but I was driving, and I just happened to look down. But it's not, you know, it's never safe to really try to swipe when you're on a highway. So, you know, I looked down for a split second, boom, 80. I couldn't really get it, you know, because I was driving and cars around me, so it's better to be safe than sorry, you know what I'm saying? But I got a 22, which is not an 80. That's way, I said it like that's something way better. Nah, I got a 22. It's not an 80, but it's 20 items, 27 items, I believe. And like 2 miles away. So we're gonna run that up. Easy, let's get it. So I got some pretty good news. One of my orders that was $15 went up to $35. The customer changed my tip. That's all customer service right there. That's all that customer communication that I'd be doing. They switched it, they doubled it. So that batch went from a 15 to a 35, which puts me at 70-something right now. And I just swiped a $39, 25 items. So this is a really good batch. This is the ones we want. It's about 8 miles, so it's a little further, but still $39 for 25 items. Yeah, team Run It Up, let's get it. Easy money. I was in there for probably 18 minutes Yo, all of these orders that I've done so far this morning, I have not been in the store more than 20 minutes. And this is actually the longest one I was in the store for.
Proceed to the route.
That right there, I was in the store for 18 minutes. 18 minutes to do the shopping. But yeah, everything else is like under 15 minutes. So this is good day, actually. Good day. I thought it was gonna be slow. Let's get it. All right. So we back at the store. I just swiped the $23, 23 items batch. So basically $1 per item, which is pretty good, right? For a regular grocery store, easy. And I'm really fast in here. 4 miles away for the delivery, so that's really, really good. So yeah, you already know. About to go in here and run it up. It's 12 p.m. It's 12 o'clock and I'm getting hungry. So after I run this order up, yeah, I'm gonna eat something. I'm hungry. Let's get it. All right, so that was super easy. Super easy. Yo, this is it. Yo, honestly, I didn't think today was slow for everybody. But this is like a chill day for me. Like, it's really chill, small orders, quick orders, really easy. I'm at the red light right now, and I'm saying, hoping for the red light banger, but I haven't seen a banger yet. I missed an 80 this morning at Costco, which was the biggest batch I seen today, but it's all good. Today's been smooth. I'm on my way back to the store to run it up. You already know what it is. This is easy all day. Let's get it. And I didn't even wake up early. So I'm not even on my pro game right now because I didn't even wake up early. I should have woke up earlier.
Man, you never gonna like us. Get them on sight now, let them on like that way. They know I'm more righteous. Look at my life, I'm living alright. I'm nice, you know I'm alright. Cause looking like Christ, no need for the hype or fight or telephone vipers. No need for the telephone vipers.